Once upon a time, in the deep blue realms of the ocean, there lived King Triton, the majestic ocean king. He ruled over the vibrant and shimmering underwater kingdom of Aquamaris, where the coral towers sparkled under the sunlight filtering through the waves. King Triton had a long, flowing beard made of seaweed and a crown decorated with the most beautiful seashells. He wielded a magical trident that could command the waves, summon dolphins, and even light up the darkest corners of the ocean. One day, a mischievous sea witch named Morgana grew envious of the king's power and the harmony in Aquamaris. She concocted a plan to turn the ocean into a desolate and dark place, claiming it for herself. Morgana unleashed a terrible storm, casting spells to stir the seas and cover the skies with thick, ominous clouds. The creatures of Aquamaris were frightened. The sea turtles hid in their shells, schools of fish darted to safety, and even the mighty whales groaned in dismay. King Triton, seeing his beloved kingdom in peril, promised to restore peace and protect his ocean friends. "I will not let Morgana's malevolence conquer our beautiful seas," he vowed. Guided by the wise and ancient sea turtle named Tatara, King Triton ventured to the mysterious Abyssal Depths where the enchanted sea crystals lay hidden. Those crystals held the secret to reversing Morgana's dark magic. But Morgana, anticipating his move, sent an army of enchanted jellyfish to hinder his path. The jellyfish created a sticky, glowing net around Triton, but he swiftly raised his trident, its tip glowing brightly, dispersing them with a flick of his wrist. As Triton descended into the abyssal depths, he encountered various challenges, like the swaying forest of giant kelp that threatened to entangle him and the enormous, sleeping kraken that he had to quietly pass. Finally, he reached the heart of the abyss where the three gleaming crystals lay. Just as he touched the stones, Morgana appeared, cackling with triumph. "You may find the crystals, but you'll not escape my grasp," she threatened. King Triton, undeterred, summoned all his courage. With a mighty sweep of his trident, he used the energies of the crystals to create a magnificent light. The light engulfed Morgana, unraveling her wicked spells and turning her power to vapor. With Morgana defeated, the skies cleared, and the ocean was calm once more. The creatures of Aquamaris emerged from their hiding spots, cheering and celebrating their hero king. Triton, breathing a sigh of relief, returned the crystals to their resting place, ensuring they were guarded by the loyal sea turtles for future times of need. The ocean kingdom rejoiced, and balance was restored. Under King Triton's wise rule, Aquamaris flourished into an even more enchanting realm, where waves sang and every creature, big or small, lived in harmony. Thus, the legend of the Ocean King's bravery and his adventure deep within the ocean depths spread far and wide, reminding young and old alike of the endless wonders and the magic that lay beneath the waves. And forever on, King Triton's legacy lived, shimmering like a pearl in the ocean's heart. And so, dear children, always remember that the ocean is full of stories and magic waiting to unfold. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel for more stories. Thanks for watching.